The first time we entered Karma Lakeland, I was amazed to see that there are 5 natural forests in this area.
For him, it's the golf, and for me, it's the natural, just the nature.
People like us at our age, probably they're already thinking about how they want to live a life.
The whole concept of resort like Ecolux living, especially living in Gurgaon and Delhi in winters, could be a bit of a challenge for the people because of the pollution.
And it was really vast. I'm very, very impressed by the overall concept of Karma and of Shobha Aranya.
I really like this place a lot, and we made the decision to, buy the space.
I think it's a property that needs no introduction.
So we were very pleased and very much excited by seeing the view, the greenery over here. तो जो हम दिल्ली में मिस करते हैं. If you look at the vicinity, the greenery, the ample space, greenery just not defined as this patch is green here.
I am already associated with the Shobha City in Dwarka Expressway, so I am very happy with the projects.
Whenever you go and see a Shobha construction, you cannot find a small defect in terms of quality of construction.
We saw the construction style, the standards. So before that, we knew that Shobha is doing a good work, but we haven't seen. But the small things what has been taken care of, it was surprising for us because we have never seen that before in any other builder apartment.
The construction quality that they actually show to the customer, what they are going to be expecting, and it actually turned out to be exactly the same.
And that's what I love about Shobha, is the details really do matter.
आज से 5 साल या 10 साल के बाद जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो रोल प्ले करेगी, वो प्ले करेगी लैंड बैंक. तो सबसे पहले मेरा लैंड बैंक जो है, और दूसरा जो है वो सराउंडिंग.
10 years, 15 years down the line, one thinks that they will have to take this as an investment opportunity. I think the appreciation would be a lot.
Whenever our kids get settled down, we'll definitely come over and live. This can be our second home or our home.
This gives you all the possibilities of enjoying a resort living, all the possibilities of enjoying a, not a 5-star, I would say it's a 10-star living.
जो डेफिनेटली आप दिल्ली से थोड़ा सा आउटस्कर्ट में है, तो एक्वाई लेवल भी थोड़ा बेहतर रहने वाला है.
It's a house that we really dream of living in here. The AQI in this area is much better compared to the other properties in Gurgaon.
And today I saw this ample apartment, the spacious layouts, the well-designed, Vastu-compliant layout.
And it's a beautiful unit. The interiors are done very beautifully, and also the efficiency of the unit is great.
The construction part, the detailing part that they explained, and the things that were used there, all the constructions and all, the flooring, the bathroom fittings and all.
Finally, the apartment, it's good to see that it has surpassed our expectation.
That you almost want to say, you know what, how fast will you guys deliver, and can you make our home exactly like this?
I would like to recommend to all my friends and all my family, because our community is something what you look at, and you've been, if your family and friends are there with you.
और इसलिए हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको भी हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो इस कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन करें.
I think you have to come here. You have to talk to the people. You have to actually feel this environment, play around a walk, take a walk, do something here. Don't look at it as an investment. Look at it as a lifestyle.
I would definitely recommend Aranya to, our friends and family. It's a very unique offering, luxury living, golf resort living. It's a place where you live in harmony with nature.
So the quality and the time, which is the most important thing in real estate projects, is taken care of. So I think I would highly recommend Shobha.
I am grateful to them because thanks to them we are glad we own this property now.
Absolutely.